Remember the world king of smartphones. The BlackBerry Classic, with its iconic keyboard, that addictive LED notification light, and a design so premium it made business pros and keyboard loyalists fall in love. Well, hold on to your seats, because BlackBerry is back. And this isn't just a reboot, it's a revolution. Meet the BlackBerry Classic 5G, where old-school charm smashes into cutting-edge tech. If you've ever missed that satisfying click-clack of a physical keyboard, this video is your holy grail. Let's unbox the future. Let's start. Features of BlackBerry Classic 5G. Display and design. They kept the legendary look, but cranked it to 11. The 4.5-inch display is back, complete with that iconic physical keyboard, and the beloved LED notification light. But here's the twist, a 90 Hz refresh rate makes scrolling smoother than ever. Who said retro can't feel premium? Camera. Hold up, BlackBerry wasn't playing around. The Classic 5G packs a 100 megapixel main sensor. Crisp, pro-level shots from a phone that still has a keyboard. Mind blown. Who needs 10 cameras when you've got one beast sensor? And selfie lovers, a 32 megapixel front camera means your video calls just got a major glow up. Performance. Under the hood, a MediaTek 7300 Plus 5G processor, smooth multitasking, lag-free gaming, and Android OS keeping things fresh. This isn't your grandpa's BlackBerry, it's a sleek, modern beast dressed in nostalgia. Battery backup. A 5000 mAh battery means 2-3 days of juice on a single charge. That's right, no more hunting for outlets. Your emails, calls, and memes covered. Price and launch date. Here's the kicker, all this for just $299. That's mid-range pricing for a legend reborn. Mark your calendars, launch expected late this year. Your wallet and your inner 2000 self will thank you.